Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a blessed Sunday. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. There are new tax credits that could boost refund checks for low-income Americans this year. Stimulus benefits are ending for millions of Americans very soon. Next Friday, I will be giving away more Walmart gift cards. For more details on how to enter the giveaway, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. For millions of American families, the new enhanced child tax credit has meant extra money on a monthly basis. Even better, there are other tax credits that were improved during this crisis that folks will be able to use to boost refunds or potentially offset their tax liabilities. That is because the child tax credit payments are just half of the total benefit, meaning that families will see the other half applied when they file their 2021 tax returns next year. Thus, getting the money early may impact tax refunds for some families. The other tax credits will be helpful in supporting families as some of the other benefits expire. Here is what families and individuals need to know. The $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan, signed in March, also expanded the child tax and dependent care tax credit, a lesser-known benefit aimed at helping working families. This credit, which is separate from the child tax credit, gives working parents extra help at tax time for costs associated with caring for children under the age of 13 and other eligible adult dependents. For the 2021 tax year, the credit was expanded to $8,000 per dependent from $3,000 and is capped at $16,000 instead of $6,000. In addition to that, some families, depending on their income, will get the benefits as a refundable credit, meaning it will either reduce what they owe to the IRS or be returned in the form of a refund. This helps the lowest income families get their money back, as making credits fully refundable means you don't have to have any taxable income to take advantage of it. The Earned Income Tax Credit was also given a boost in 2021 and future years because of this crisis. It also helps to lower moderate income workers, both with and without children. The keyword, everyone, for this video is water. Please remember to leave this keyword below to enter the Walmart gift card giveaway. The Earned Income Tax Credit was also given a boost in 2021 and future years because of this crisis. It also helps low to moderate income workers, both with and without children. The Earned Income Tax Credit now ranges from $1,502 to $6,728, depending on your income and the number of children in your household. Because many families lost income, which could reduce the amount of the credit they would be eligible for, they can use their earnings from 2019 to calculate the benefit if it means they will get more money in 2021. Like other credits, this is also refundable, meaning that families will either see it reduce their tax liability or get their money back as a refund next year. This year, the maximum benefit from the Earned Income Tax Credit was also expanded for workers without children, nearly tripling to $1,502 from $543. The American Rescue Plan also increased the income range for where workers can claim the credit to about $21,000 from $16,000, and also expanded the age range of those eligible to include adults aged 19 to 24 years old. These changes will help support some 17 million people. Of course, families who opted out of the advanced child tax credit payments will generally see either a much larger than usual refund in 2022 or have their liability reduced by more than usual, as they will get the entire enhanced benefit at tax time. There are many individual considerations that go into calculating each family's tax liability and potential refunds. This year, because of the changes, it may be a good idea for families to hire a professional tax preparer to make sure they are taking advantage of all the credits that they are eligible for. Many free services exist to help low-income folks prepare and submit their taxes. While some of the changes that will help impact refunds are only for 2021, there may be more updates on the horizon. Many Democratic lawmakers intend to extend the child tax credit and make the Earned Income Tax Credit boost permanent. So what are your thoughts on this, everyone? Should the expanded child tax credit and Earned Income Tax Credit become permanent? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Crisis unemployment benefits are ending nationwide the first weekend in September, but do not expect to see millions of available jobs to be filled quickly. At least 7.5 million Americans are projected to lose their crisis unemployment compensation in the 26 states that are still paying these benefits. That flood of potential new hires comes at a time when job openings are at a record high. Studies and government data have found that unemployment has not grown substantially faster in the states that terminated benefits early. The enhanced jobless payments are not the only reason why Americans may be reluctant to return to work. Other factors include continued health concerns, trouble finding childcare, and an increased interest in switching careers. Also, it may take time for the impact of the benefits withdrawal to become clear. So everyone, will ending the federal unemployment benefits help our economy recover? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much everyone for joining me here tonight. I hope you found some of this information helpful. Remember that next Friday, I will be giving away Walmart gift cards. To enter my giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment below the keyword of the day. Please know that there will be a keyword in each video. Whomever has the most correct keywords entered by next Friday's video will be automatically placed in the giveaway. There will be a total of 17 keywords. Thank you so much everyone for joining me here today, and have a very blessed Sunday night.
I also want to update the people on the progress that we've made in our recovery and the next steps that we're going to be taking. As we learned Friday, the economy created 266,000 jobs in April. In fact, altogether, since the time we took office, we've created more than 1.5 million jobs in the country. It's the most jobs created in the first 100 days of any president on record, more than 3 times the solid job creation that President Carter saw in his first 100 days, and more than 6 times what President Reagan saw. In the 3 months before I got here, our country was creating roughly 60,000 jobs a month. In the 3 months since we've gotten here, we've been creating 500, on average 500,000 jobs per month. In the first quarter, our economy grew at 6.4% rate, outpacing the growth we're seeing from our friends in the Eurozone. Because of the American Rescue Plan, forecasters are projecting we'll see the fastest economic growth in nearly 40 years in the months to come. We're moving in the right direction. So let's be clear, our economic plan is working. I never said, and no serious analyst ever suggested, that climbing out of the deep, deep hole our economy was in would be simple, easy, immediate, or perfectly steady. Remember, 22 million Americans lost their jobs in this pandemic. So, some